place for too long. Gotta get on the run again. I saw the one thing that I want. Help that get out of bed. I'm throwing rocks at your window. You're tying the bed sheets together. They say that we're dreaming too big. I say this time's too small. Set me aside. Turn back the clock. Give me some time. I need to break and make a name. Let's open our eyes to the brand new day. It's a brand new day. I've taken hits like a brawler, but I'm getting back up again. And from the moment I saw her, I was hell-bent with heaven sent. I'm throwing rocks at your window. We're leaving this place together. They say that we're flying too high.
It's very easy to use. A light. It's got 4 hours, 8 hours, and 12 hours, and I think it'll just shut off. You don't even need the manual. It's got warm mist. I'm not refill is probably a warning light. High, medium, and low. So we'll go to low. Low puts out just a little bit. Low. And then medium. And then high. I absolutely love this thing. My daughter walked in and went, whoa, look at all that's putting out. I just had it for about an hour, but I would buy this again. Check the link in the description. Enjoy.
Looking up, set me aside. Turn back the clock. Give me some time. I need to break and make a new name. Let's open our eyes to the brand new day.